Happy birthday, Luke.
We've also got Colton Cleland turning 13 in Arma. He is the top hand at the Cleland Cattle Company. A very happy birthday to Colton today.
We'll head over to Oswego. It is 16 this year for Tegan Blundell. Happy birthday, Miss Tegan.
We've also got Stephanie McConnell turning 42 in Carthage. A happy birthday to Stephanie.
All right, we are moving on to Girard, Kansas, 66 years young for Miss Peggy Jones. Happy birthday to you, Peggy.
We've also got Pittsburgh resident Bill Perkins celebrating 77 years of life. Happy birthday to Mr. Bill.
And we actually have a Betty White of our own out of Columbus, 89 years young. Happy birthday to you, Miss Betty.
She's only 10 years off Betty White's mark, so she's doing good. I bet she's going to make it past 100. Betty White, happy birthday. Mike Brown in St. Paul, also celebrating a birthday. A happy birthday to you, Mike.
And out of Jasper, the lone anniversary on the list, it's Mike and Vi. I'm going to butcher this last name, probably Tubbaugh or Tubaugh. But nonetheless, Mike and Vi, happy 44th to you and many more to come.
44 excellent years. We also have Mark McDowell in Miami celebrating a birthday as well. And there's some good news to go along with these birthdays. You can be a part of the KOAM Birthday Club by going to our website and signing up. You know what's really great about this, Nick?
What?
I'm going to tell you what's really great about this. You can get special deals from local businesses. So all you need to do is go to KOAMnewsnow.com and sign up for the Birthday Club today if you haven't already.
All right, and we're almost